Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Flip5 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by locating and opening voice recorder app. Following that, if you never used it before, select Allow and while using in all pop-ups. I already did that, so I can click on those three dots at the top right corner right away. Now tap on Settings and adjust all of those recorder options before recording. In my case, quality. When you're ready, go back and pick one of those modes: standard, interview, or speech to text. Finally, to start your recording, click on the red button at the bottom. As you can see, recording is on. You can pause it or unpause it thanks to the same middle button. In order to add a bookmark, click on Bookmark whenever you wish to. And to listen to your recording right away before ending it, you can always pause it, swipe it, and click on this left button to listen to it. Finally, to end it and save it, click on this square at the bottom right corner. Type in wherever you wish to and hit save in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my recording was successfully created. In order to access list of all your recordings from the main screen, click on list next to three dots at the top right corner. To listen to one of your recordings, click on it. In order to delete it, go back, hold it, and click on Delete option at the bottom. Then select Move to Recycle bin. Lastly, to access Recycle bin, click on three dots again. But this time pick Recycle Bin section and access all of those deleted recordings for 30 days. To restore one of them, you need to hold it. As you can see, listen to it to make sure there is the right one. Click on Edit at the top right corner. Click on one of your recordings and hit Restore at the bottom left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!